When you first came, there was, obviously you were in that wheelchair getting off the plane and things were a lot of pain. Can you just describe where that pain was starting and where it was travelling to? Just
from here.
This area, yeah? And where was it going to?
All through my leg, to my ankle.
Up to the ankle. And how was it affecting you?
It was like shooting pain and I couldn't walk.
Well, not able to walk, huh? Okay. And that had been going on for how long?
8 weeks.
8 weeks. What had you noticed as well? I mean, because you prompted us to...
Literally, she was completely bedbound, on a wheelchair, going out. We then did a bit of research and found your contact details, and then travelled to Dubai to get this treatment done. And she came here on a wheelchair, and now she's, I'd say she's 70% better. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. And what do you feel? What are you able to do now that was being difficult before?
I can walk more now. I don't have to sit down in between.
Hmm.
And the pain, I've got no shooting pain left.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So much more freer. You've been able to go about your day.
Yeah.
Been able to have a holiday, basically. Yeah. Good. And how do you feel the combination of our joint correction that we've been doing in combination with the laser? How do you feel that has worked for you?
It's definitely worked for me.
Yeah. The laser's perfect. We've not seen anything like this before, and we were talking earlier on as well. That's probably, your treatment's good, but the laser is absolutely bang on. I think that's what's made the difference as well.
Yes.
So both treatments combined all in one.
That's the idea. Yes.
And I don't think anybody else has got that laser. It's perfect. Yeah.
It is a unique equipment that we have, and we're very proud of it. And alhamdulillah, the main thing is it seems to have worked very well for Madam, and at least we're able to get back on that plane, back to the UK, inshallah. And it's been great to have you, and inshallah, please do visit again, inshallah. We'd love to meet you again, inshallah. Yeah? Great. Thank you.